Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Google Takeout packages your Gmail into one or more Mbox files for export. Download the Takeout. Zip archive to your computer and keep it in a safe folder. Use 7-Zip, Finder, or Windows Explorer to extract the zip and locate the Mbox file. Note the file size, which can be 5 GB or larger for heavy accounts. Keep the extracted Mbox file path handy, because you will need it for import steps in an email client later today. Install Mozilla Thunderbird if you do not already have it on your computer. Add the Import-Export Tools NG extension through Thunderbird add-ons and restart the app. Create a local folder's account location to hold imported messages safely. Right-click the target folder, choose Import-Export Tools NG, and select Import Mbox file. Point the dialog to your extracted Mbox file and confirm the import. Thunderbird will read the Mbox and recreate folders, dates, and attachments so you can browse your exported Gmail locally. If you prefer Apple Mail, use File, Import Mailboxes, and choose the Mbox option. For Outlook use, convert the Mbox to PSD with a dedicated Mbox to PSD converter utility. You can preview an Mbox file in a text editor to inspect raw headers and MIME boundaries before importing. Keep backups of the original, zip, and extracted Mbox in case the import process fails. Delete any temporary files when finished and verify message counts. Match your Gmail export to confirm a complete import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.